To add non-chargeable time for office employees, you go to the appointment manager and it'll default in your resource code and your name up here, and it's a weekly timesheet. It'll show you what day the timesheet is starting on up here, and you'll have all the days down here. So you go to this new menu option here and you choose this icon to activate this row, and you select Wayne Perry. The company code is 222, and you choose the appropriate department. Every department will have a non-chargeable one, so you find your department in there. For this example, I'm going to choose building maintenance. Well, let's say that it's an office employee and they just choose the task as administrative. There's all these multiple tasks in here that they could choose from. Well, let's just choose administrative for this example. And then you choose your non-chargeable service code. Let's say we do this on Tuesday, the 27th. You click in this box and you click the open details box and you select your start time and you fill in your hours. There's a lot of boxes here, so you fill in what pertains to you. The fields that are required are the start time, the end time, and these hours here, and the cost code and the description. So if the other boxes are necessary, please fill those in. If not, just leave them blank. So we're going to do 4 hours. For all entries, we need to put a gap when we take our lunch. So if we started from 8 o'clock, we work 4 hours till 12 o'clock. And if we took our lunch at 12 o'clock, we want to do it like this. We put the 4 hours, hit save, and it's in red as you see. You have to hit the save data up here to move it under appointments to officially save it, and it'll turn green. And this is, if this is what you do very often and you want to add it as a favorite, you click on this plus button here and you'll see it'll drop down under your favorites menu option. So to add those other 4 hours for Tuesday the 27th, you click on that box right there, you click open details, and you change your start time to when you came back from lunch. So let's say 1 o'clock, and you put 4 more hours there. And then you choose your cost code and you put in your description. And you select save. And you'll see it's in red. So you have to hit the save data up here to officially save it under here, under appointments. And that's how you'll do one daily timesheet for that day. On the 27th, you'll see that there's the 2 entries there to show the gap for lunch. And if you're doing the same thing on Wednesday, just keep using this favorite. And click in that box, click open details. And if you start at 8 o'clock, go with that, non-chargeable cost code, and a brief description of what you're doing. And there's more notes here if you need to add a longer description of something that you're doing on this timesheet. So you'll get your 4 hours there. And because you got to put a gap for your lunch if you took lunch at 12 o'clock again. And then you would fill out the second part of that entry there for that day. And when you're done for your time for the week, you click the submit timesheet, and this will submit your timesheet to your manager to review it. And that's how you add time for non-chargeable time, and how to add a favorite and keep adding to that favorite there. All right, thank you.